This menu item class represents a single product in the POS system and stores its name, price, and image path. These variables are marked private, which shows encapsulation because the data is protected and only accessed through the getter methods. The class also shows abstraction by hiding how the item's data is stored and only providing simple methods to use it. While this class does not extend another class, it can be used as a base class for inheritance, meaning other item types can reuse or add features to it. Future child classes can also override methods, which shows polymorphisms, allowing different item types to act like a menu item while having their own behaviors.
The bill calculator class is a business logic component used to compute a customer's bills by handling the subtotal or VAT total amount and change. It stores a subtotal value that starts at 0 and uses a constant 12% tax, which represents the standard VAT in the Philippines. The class includes methods for adding and deducting amounts from the subtotal, resetting the subtotal for new transaction, and formatting all monetary values to two decimal places using decimal format. It can calculate by tax, multiplying the subtotal by the VAT rate, then compute the total by adding the tax to the subtotal. It also provides string-formatted versions of subtotal, tax, and total for display purposes in a GUI. Finally, it calculates the customer's change by subtracting the total bill received, returning the result as formatted string.
So for this code creates the full interface of our point of sale or the POS system. It builds the screen you see here. It shows the menu buttons for food items, this numeric keypad for typing the amount, this table where the orders appear, and these boxes where the subtotal, tax, total, cash, and the change are displayed. So when the POS window starts, it sets up everything: the layout of the screen, the buttons, and the images of the foods. So each food buttons, like the burger here or chicken, Coke, etc., is connected to the menu item code. When you click a food button, the program knows which item you selected. It adds to the order table and updates the subtotal using the bill calculator. So, the keypad buttons or the numeric keypad lets you type the amount. So usually the cash is given by the customer. The pay button here uses the bill calculator to compute the change. The remove button removes or deletes an item from the order list. The reset button clears everything so you can start a new order. This also adjusts the size of food images automatically whenever the window is resized, so the images do not stretch or become blurry. Everything inside this class is focused on building the POS layout and reacting to button clicks.
Okay, so in this part, the provided Java code contained within the POS application class acts as the standard entry point for a desktop application built using the Swing GUI toolkit. Its primary function is to safely initialize and display the main window, POS JFrame, by adhering to the crucial threading rules of Swing. Specifically, the main method uses Swing utilities to execute the window creation logic on the event dispatch thread, the EDT, which is the single thread responsible for handling all UI rendering and events. This pattern is necessary because Swing components are not thread safe, and creating or modifying them on the main thread could lead to race conditions or application freezing. By creating a new instance of POS JFrame and then calling frame, the application ensures the GUI is built correctly in the background and then presented to the user. So that's all for our final project for OOP. I hope you'll be satisfied, sir. with my group mates Abdullah, Lukman, Gabriel, Brian Morales, and Al-Khaidar, Samiddin. Thank you.
Thank you.